What's going on, everyone? My name's Jose, and today we're going to be talking about the 5 best dividend stocks that you can have in your portfolio to make sure that you're making some money, some passive income, while your stocks just stay there and you sleep at night. I'm not giving you guys these in any particular order, but my 5th stock is honestly my up and coming, what I think is going to be doing really well in the future, and I'm going to be giving you guys a bonus, so just stick around for that and let's go ahead and start the show. Before I go ahead and give you all these 5 amazing dividend stocks, please make sure that you give me a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. It helps out the channel a lot and it helps out the YouTube algorithm. Just make sure that everybody sees me and it exposes the channel a little bit more. All right, no more talking. Let's go ahead and start with our number 1 on the list, which is Pepsi, ticker symbol PEP. So Pepsi is currently trading at $134.33 at the time of this recording, and their annual dividend payout is $4.09 per share. Pepsi is super diverse when it comes down to all of their products in their product line. So for example, they have Lay's, Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper, Tropicana, 7-Up, Doritos, Gatorade, Quaker Oats. This makes Pepsi such a great valued company just because they're super diversified. They have so many different revenue streams that it just makes the stock super stable and reliable. Pepsi has managed to grow their dividends consecutively for 48 years now, which is crazy. They have literally grown their dividend payout every single year for the past 48 years. That to me shows a lot of growth in the company and a lot of stability in the future. So for number 2 on the list, this stock right here is one of the better ones that a lot of traders have on their portfolio. I myself have some stocks in this, and their name is Johnson & Johnson, ticker symbol J&J. They're currently priced at $149.74 at the time of this recording, and their dividend payout is $4.04 annually. They pay dividends quarterly, which you will receive $1.01. Dividend King is a company that has consecutively grown their dividends for 50 years or more, and J&J falls into this category. They have consecutively grown their dividends for 57 years now, and they're also a leading company in the search for a vaccine for the Rona situation. They have been able to grow about 51% over the last 5 years. Obviously, they had their ups and downs, but still a 51% over 5 years just isn't a great, it's almost 10% annually if you average it out. So J&J, 100%, I think a lot of people should have this in their portfolio, and plus they're giving out a great dividend. And for the 3rd one on the list, we have another dividend king here. We have 3M, ticker symbol MMM. They're currently trading at $157.80 at the time of this recording, and their payout annually is $5.88. We have another dividend king here, and they have increased their dividends for 61 years consecutively. I don't know how they do it. They just have so much money, and their annual dividend payout is $5.88. 3M is a company that has a very strong presence amongst its clients, and their industrial and safety products are almost incomparable, which just gives them just like a legendary competitive advantage. That to me speaks volume, just because obviously you want a company, you want to invest in a company that is apart from everyone else and they are the leader in whatever industry that they're in. This makes 3M one of the most valuable companies out there because of all the things that they're doing, especially now in the Rona situation. They've been able to help out with all the 3M mask and the N95 mask that you see everyone wearing. The 4th one on the list that I have here, I'm definitely gonna get some hate for it because, you know, they haven't been doing really well, but it is a very accessible stock that I think is still a global telecommunications conglomerate, and that is AT&T, ticker symbol T. They are a dividend aristocrat. If you remember, that's a company that has been consecutively growing their dividends for 25 years or more. AT&T has been doing it for 35 years. I definitely think they will be growing their stock, or their dividend I should say, for the next 15 years so that they could become a dividend king. Their annual payout sits at a low $2.08, but you really can't expect too much. You know, their stock is priced at almost $30.25. So now that you got all the hate out of the way, I mean, they haven't been doing the best over the past 5 years. They are at a loss at 12%, which is not too crazy, but it still makes some investors feel uncomfortable and not safe when they invest in this company. I think that AT&T, with all the moves that they're making, and they just partnered up with HBO, which hopefully gives them a competitive advantage with their customers and all that stuff and all their competitors. And that's what I want to see, and hopefully they grow to be better in the future. Overall, I think AT&T is a good buy, and especially now because they're definitely being sold at a discount. Right before the Rona situation, they were trading at about $38, $39, and right now they were at $30. So I actually just picked up some shares yesterday at $29.95, so let's go ahead and see if we can make some money with that in the future. And now for my fifth and final dividend stock that I think is a great opportunity right now, and it has a lot of growth potential in the future, is AbbVie, which is a biopharmaceutical company, ticker symbol ABBV. Right now, they're currently priced at $97.40 at the time of this recording, and their annual dividend payout is $4.72. They've grown about 43% over the past 5 years, which makes them a very attractive company because they're, you know, similar to the S&P 500. They're growing at about 8% annually. AbbVie is a well-known pharmaceutical company, better known for their best-selling drug, which is called Humira. You might have seen commercials about it or something like that. And they also just acquired Allergan, which is, you know, going to further diversify their products. This is going to make AbbVie just such a great stock, such a growth potential stock that I think everyone should have in their portfolio in the future. Plus, they're giving out great dividends. So now that I told you guys about the best dividend stock that I think was there, now I want to talk to you guys about a bonus thing, which is an ETF for all dividend aristocrats out there. The ETF is called Noble, ticker symbol NOBL. So this ETF has all the dividend aristocrats in the S&P 500. So most of the ones that I mentioned here are going to be in this ETF. It's currently priced at $70.58 per share, and they have grown their dividends by about 12% over the last 5 years, and their annual dividend is approximately $1.56. Noble is a great ETF to have in your portfolio, just so that is a backup to all the aristocrats in there. And you know, you love getting all of those dividends, so this makes it worth it. Well, there you have it, everyone. Thank you guys for watching. If you think I missed any of your favorite ETFs or dividend stocks, please make sure that you leave them down below. I definitely like to see what other people are trading and investing in, because we want to help each other out, and I just want to see what your interests are and maybe why you think some of those should have been on this list. Once again, you're here with Jose, and we're here breaking the cycle, making sure that all of our future generations are wealthy and healthy. Take care, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.